Hello, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. We just come out of a very dark period of eclipse season, and many people felt it, and you've done a great work. Many of you had difficulties with their relationship, with their work, with their health. Many things popped up from the past. Sometimes it's karmic, sometimes not. But you had to deal with a lot of stuff that came into this world. And that's because there is a lot of loads of light coming to this planet, which means that darkness is in the light. So we will see it. So we have to deal with it. We are responsible of it. But now the period we are heading is much more lighter, I should say. We are heading to a full moon in Sagittarian, and this is a full moon that will be very, very felt in our bellies because it's really close to the earth. And when that beautiful grandmother moon is showing her, is a super moon, that means that we can cleanse out more. But it's all at the same time, it's a period of joy, of positive vibrations. It is now the responsibility that we all have to wear a coat of positive vibrations, to wear a coat, which means that you can sustain the vibrations. And you will see that this is a great period for relationships. We always are comparing ourselves with other couples, and that's not a good idea because most of the couples are not good. The relationships we are knowing from the past ain't very good, isn't it? So, and that is because we always want something from the other one. And we are in times now that we are responsible for our own vibrations. When we can hold the vibrations that we are, because every person in this world is born with vibrations. And if you can go to these original vibrations, it makes you healthy. When you are adapting yourselves and going lower and lower in vibrations because of the town you are born in, because of the family you are born in, etc., etc., this will become clear now in this period. And this will become clear that you have to let go of all the habits to really go into your truly vibrational pattern of who you are. And it's a really nice period to play with it. And which means that this is a period that you can put yourself on a bench or you sit next to a tree in nature and watch the full moon as it is your grandmother. And then you tell your grandmother, hey, this is what I've done in my life. I had this relationship, I had this relationship, this relationship. I've done this in my life, I've done this. And you say to your grandmother, now, to be very honest, I've never did that. It was always my desire, for example, to drive a motorcycle, and I've never done it. Well, I will talk to my grandmother Moon now to say, well, it's time. I really want to drive a motorcycle because when I was 16, I really wanted that. And now I will go wild and I will try it. So this is a time, things you've never done, you've always dreamed of it. It's a time to get into that action. It's really because you love yourself. It's really because you want to give yourself a present, you know. And this is the period to see, what did I wished for? What are my aspirations? And where am I at in my life now? Did I fulfill it or not? So this is the time you can sit. You can look at Grandmother Moon and then you can talk to her. And this is the time where you can put new things into your relationships, bringing new things on your desk, when you are eating food as well. So you renewal in the present time. It's now to bring these little sparks of pleasure in your life. It is now. So, and what I want to say as well is that this is also the time to see and to accept the other, because it's partnership as well that is playing here. If you are in a good relationship, then it's fine. You can always go on a deeper level and putting new things into your relationship. When you do not have a relationship, it's a good time to play with it and really to, this is it vibe, you know, you feel it. It's the vibrations are there. It's like near the summer, near the solstice, to find a new partner and to really dive into a new relationship. And it's one of the things I still want to share with you is that we had a beautiful week together, and we did the Power of 8 in the sound healing training, and it was really a beautiful team of, if you know, many people of us, we always want to love, we want respect, you know, and we have to change that attitude. We have to try in this period to be respectful. We have to change it, and we have to be the love. Be love. And sometimes we can vibrate on that just by a simple mantra, to sing a simple mantra. And I will post a mantra in my newsletter so you can sing it. And it's just a very simple mantra. And you can also tone the ah sound on the heart level, just to remind yourself that you are love. And so that was it for today and for this period. I hope to see you next month. Have a nice period. Oha.